Hey, this is Dave from Southbound Smoke, and today we'll be doing some chicken burgers for our 4th of July. Stay tuned and check it out. Put some South in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke. So for today's chicken burger, our main sauce is Frank's Red Hot. And we're gonna be using some split chicken breasts. That's right, don't get the whole ones, not you're gonna end up with a monster chicken burger. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna open up these packages. And what we're gonna do is I'm grabbing a 2-gallon or 2.5-gallon Ziploc bag. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all these split chicken breasts into the Ziploc bag. After placing all the chicken breasts in the bag, I'm gonna open up a package of ranch dressing mix, and that's the powdered form. And I'm gonna go ahead and dump it in the bag. That's gonna be part of our seasoning right there. If I can ever get this little bag open, oh my goodness. Maybe we should cut to a commercial break. There we go. So we're gonna dump it in there. Make sure you try to coat it. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit and make sure that each of those split chicken breasts has a little bit of seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and pour our Frank's Red Hot. Now you can use the hot one. I'm gonna use just the regular buffalo one. The hot one's a little bit too spicy, I guess, for the kids. So we're gonna use just the regular Frank's hot sauce. Pour it into the bag, and after that, we're gonna go ahead and seal it. And we're gonna let this marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes. And this is going to be the dominant flavor in our chicken sandwich for tonight. So make sure that all these pieces marinate well. And again, 30 to 45 minutes. Now while the chicken is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Traeger. I could have done this in the Weber, but I have quite a few pieces of chicken breast, and the Weber that I have just won't hold all of them. So after that, I'll set up my temp to 250, and I'll start placing the chicken breast on the Traeger. There we go. Now about 20 to 25 minutes later, I'm adding my rub, and this particular rub is a Weber rub. Yeah, and I know what you're thinking, it's a Weber product on a Traeger, but hey, whatever works. And the other day we tried this rub on some chicken, and it turned out really good, so that's what we're using tonight. Again, this is the Weber garlic jalapeno rub. Like I said, it's a pretty good rub. So we're gonna give it a good coat, and we're gonna let it continue to smoke. The pan that you see here is for our bacon. We're gonna sizzle some bacon in a bit. And I'm also spraying some butter on our chicken. I usually do that, it helps it keep it moist. And as you can see, I have my Weber thermometers there. It helps me monitor the chicken. I don't want chicken to dry out, so as soon as it hits the correct temperature of 165, I go ahead, pull it out. Sometimes I'll wait 168, but no more than 170. I do not want to dry out my chicken. Next, I'm gonna put some Munster cheese on. The reason for using the Munster cheese is because I like the way it melts. It melts nicely on, a hamburger patty or a chicken breast. After the chicken has reached the desired temperature of at least 165, I go ahead and pull it out, and I'm going to place the chicken breast on the burger. And as you can see, look at how nice that cheese melted. It's not all messy and stuff. It's just nicely melted on there. And we're going to add some bacon. Everything is better with bacon. And we're going to add some more bacon. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add some romaine lettuce, just to give it a little bit of color. And those of you that are on a diet, well, you can at least say that you ate healthy today. And the tomatoes. After that, we're gonna go ahead and put some pickles on it. See, there's already, you have 3 healthy ingredients there. Anyways, after that, we're gonna go ahead and put some mustard on it. There we go. Following the mustard, we're gonna put some ranch dressing. This will tie in the buffalo sauce, the buffalo wing sauce, with the chicken and the cheese and the bacon. It's gonna really tie everything together. And in the background over there, we have a different kind of seasoning of sauce. And that on the top bun would be your chipotle mayo. There you have it, our 4th of July chicken burger. Like we said earlier, it's nothing out of this world. It's actually pretty plain and simple, except for that Frank's sauce right there. But hey man, I suggest that you guys try it out, check it out for yourself, and I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please help us out by subscribing. So well, let's get after it. We're gonna start eating, so thanks for watching. This is Dave. This has been Southbound Smoke.